Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Vampire Crawler's game. So let's jump to the solutions. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select the enable Steam input first and then just restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. And then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to the controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game because changing requires restart of the game and then launch the game and check. So basically you have to switch between enable Steam input or disable Steam input and check which one work for you. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in Vampire Crawler's game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on a PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to restart Steam, restart PC. So simply close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the Vampire Crawlers game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Vampire Crawlers. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.